Hey guys, so in today's video I wanted to make a review of this FX Black Friday animation app. So this app is actually going to let you add some animations and 3D effects to your store as we gear up for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. They have a bunch of different effects. There's 200 plus holiday animations it includes. So you're gonna have to make a judgment call. Obviously, in some stores this is gonna look a little tacky, but on some stores this is really gonna bring them to life and help your conversion rates. So without further ado, let's get into the review. Okay, so when you first get into the app, it's gonna look a little something like this. You just want to follow their instructions for getting started here. Go ahead, activate the app. And so it's prompting us to install it through the theme editor if we're on an online store 2.0 theme. I'll show you guys how to do that as well. But I'm just going to click activate now, and now it's going to bring up a window in the theme editor. So it has this, it navigates us right here. Go ahead, toggle that on, hit save, and then exit out of this window. Okay, so now we can go ahead and actually play around with the effects here. You'll notice there's a bunch of different effects. The entire app actually includes over 200. Right now I have it on falling snow. I'm going to change it to falling Black Fridays because Black Friday is coming up. And you can see we can actually mess around with the number of falling effects. So this is going to change the density of how many things are falling on the screen. I'm just going to leave it at the default. And you'll notice also we can change where this pops up, right? Do we want it to only pop up on the home page? Do we want it to be on the entire store or just specific pages? And so we can also hide the effects after a certain duration. If we click here, I'm gonna leave it on don't hide the effects. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and save this, and we're gonna see how this actually looks on the home page of my store. So here we are on the home page of my store. This is just a test store, and you'll notice that now there's all these effects. Black Friday effects. Obviously, as I noted in the intro, this isn't going to look great on every single store, and you're going to have to really choose your effects wisely. Some stores this is just going to look tacky, but other stores this will bump up your conversion rates. Okay, so we got a few other settings here. You can notice that if you didn't like any specific element that was a decoration on the home page, so you can see here there's this Black Friday tag and all the different corners, you can actually turn these off. So I could turn off the balloons, save that, and then after it updates on their end, when I refresh on my end, you can notice the balloons are now gone here. So these are all optional. You can search for them and put them there, or remove them, and there's an extensive library of these decorations. Then you can change the sizing of the decorations on both desktop and mobile. And then over here, there's this preview window. Mine is not working because it's actually behind a password right now, but yours should work in this preview window. Reviews for the app are generally positive, and obviously anytime you're installing an app on your store, you should worry about performance. In the case of this app, the library that actually is used to load the effects only comes in at 22.4 kilobytes, which is pretty small. And in my testing, there was effectively no impact on site load times. All right, guys, so that's the review. If you made it this far, I'd appreciate if you commented down below and liked this video, and subscribe for more app reviews. All right, I'll see you in the next video, guys.